Today, we're diving into Roundups AI, a powerful tool that helps you create high-converting content and maximize your affiliate blog earnings. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Roundups AI. First, head over to the Roundups AI website and click Sign Up. Creating your account is quick and easy. Step 2 and Step 3. Choose your data source and define your topic. Next, choose your data source, whether it's Amazon or AppSumo. Then, define your topic. What products do you want to highlight? Step 4. Optimize for SEO. Now it's time to optimize for SEO. Input relevant keywords to ensure your content gets noticed in search engines. This step is crucial for driving traffic. Step 5. Select your writing style. Next, select your writing style. You can choose a professional tone, a casual vibe, or even something humorous. Make it your own. Step 6. Configure your format. After that, configure your format. Whether you want a comparison or a single product review, Roundups AI lets you choose the layout that best fits your needs. Step 7. Add products. Now, add the products you want to feature. Search for them directly within the platform and select your top picks for the roundup. You can compare multiple products for a comprehensive guide. Step 8. Generate content. Once you've set everything up, click on Generate Content. In just moments, Roundups AI will compile high-quality, engaging content for you. Step 9. Customize and publish. Finally, it's time to customize and publish. Edit the generated content to add your unique voice, rearrange sections, and include personal insights. After you're done, publish directly to your WordPress blog or share it on social media. And there you have it. With Roundups AI, you can effortlessly create compelling content that drives affiliate earnings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips on maximizing your blog income. Happy blogging!